Okay, it's on. I just want to show you something real quick. Hold on. This thing here. This is, as you know, I'm a little bit interested with these old typewriters, and this typewriter is something that I've been looking for a long time, a good one, and here it is. This is Olivetti Lettera 22, the original typewriter from 1957, and the case is in perfect shape. Oftentimes in these cases there is a problem with the zippers, they get broken, but think about this. This is from 1957 and it's in perfect condition. I even have the dust cover, which is like new. And then here it is. Let me show you. This is Lettera 22 and it is from the 1957 and it's in perfect condition. And I've been looking for a very long time this, and it has even the Scandinavian typeface, so it is ready to go. And I've been already typing it with it and testing it, and it works perfectly. And think about this. With this Lettera type of machine, have been typing Bob Dylan, Ansel Adams, Joan Collins, Alain Delon, and of course Leonard Cohen. And did you know the Hallelujah song is written with this kind of typewriter? So I'm very happy I can now use same typewriter that these famous people have been using and writing some very interesting and important stuff. So that was my thing that I wanted to share with you.